Hello my YouTube family, I hope you all are good. So I am here today with a new video. In this video we're going to talk about Oli. It's a very beautiful hill station located in Uttarakhand, India. So today I am just sharing some memories of my trip to Oli. So this clip, as you can see, this is from the tramway. I shooted it from the upwards, and so people who are planning to go Oli, I will suggest you to go in the winter season. People may think that in winters why to go on hill station or on cold areas, but I'm telling you, the experience of playing with the snow and the experience of skiing makes it much better, because in winters you may ignore this hill station, but in summer you will not feel the same vibes that I had in the winter. So I will suggest you the winter season. So we stayed in Joshimath. It is near to Oli. From Joshimath there is a roveway which connects Joshimath to Oli. So we went Oli via roveway. So as you can see, this cabin was of kind of transparent mirror, and we were around 30 to 35 people in the cabin, and it was hard to move your hands because it was not so big. We could not visit artificial lake because we went through the roveway, and it was directly connecting to Oli, to the higher altitude, where we can do skiing, where we could do we could play with the snow at the highest point. And this artificial lake is little on the downward side of Oli. As you can see, this is artificial lake, but it is all covered with the snow. So we thought that it is not a good idea to stay here, because the hotels you can see, these are the hotels and some resorts kind of, but they were too expensive that we could not stay there. And the charges, I would tell you that minimum charges was 7,000 for one night. So I thought it is not a good deal, and that's why we stayed in Joshimath, and there it was quite cheap comparatively. As you can see, the beauty of ice is on point, and it was as beautiful as I expected it to be. And here we found this cute dog, and it's a kind of friend. It was a guide dog. As you can see, snow is so white, but I cannot capture the exact view. It was too bright that I could barely open my eyes without sunglasses because of the reflection of sun rays. So if you are planning to go on hill station, I would suggest you do not remove your hand gloves, because I did that in the fashion, but after this I literally died because of the pain. I could not even feel my hands because they were so freeze with the snow. So I would suggest you don't do this. So we had only 2 hours to stay there, because there is a time duration for every cabin members. So we had 2 hours, and we have just reached here. So we are playing, we are posing, and other people are eating, playing snow games, and waiting for their cabin. Here I'm enjoying the beauty of nature. And there finally we found Maggie. We ate this, and there were many options like Rajma Chawal, Curry Chawal, but not tea. So I literally had to go with coffee. If you are a snow lover, then Oli is the best place for you. And we did skiing there. After all, Oli is famous for skiing. Here I'm posing for a good picture. And then snowfall made our trip beautiful, memorable, and what not.